Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will guide you how to delete all posts on Facebook group. In the previous video, I showed you how to delete all spam posts to rebuild your team. Next, I will show you how to delete all posts on Facebook group. Please go to the comments or description to access the link to the extension. Next, download the extension. Next, go to your browser's extension manager. Once in the extension manager, enable developer mode. Next, open the file you just downloaded. Right-click on the extension and select WinRAR, then select Extract here. Wait a moment and a file will appear. Add extension to browser as in video. Now open the extension. Step 1. Enter your Facebook group link in the first box. Then enter your profile link in the second box. Note, you must be an administrator of the group. In the third box, enter delete all to have the extension delete all posts on Facebook group. Click Start. Now, wait about 15 to 20 minutes and then return to the group. You will see that all the posts in the group have been successfully deleted. Note, if it still doesn't work, try again after 1 to 2 hours. It's possible that many people are using other extensions at the same time, causing system congestion. During this process, please avoid using other extensions to prevent conflicts. As you can see, all the posts in my group have been successfully deleted. Master the Meta's video tutorial on how to delete all posts on Facebook group.